Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Integrated Studies Standard 2. The chapter we are studying is our country, and today we will cover the topic our heroes. As you know that Pakistan is the gift of Allah, but there is a lot of struggle and contribution of great heroes. Among them, Allama Muhammad Iqbal and Quaid-e-Azam are the most highlighted personalities. So we must remember and respect our heroes. So in this lecture, we will cover 4 key points. Number 1 is, who is the founder of Pakistan? And the second will be, what is the motto of Pakistan? And the third, who is our national poet? And the fourth one, what is two-nation theory? First, founder of Pakistan. This personality, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, is the founder of Pakistan. He was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. He studied law from England. After completing his study, he returned back to home and he started his political career. He struggled a lot in order to take a separate land. That's why he is known as Father of the Nation. Muhammad Ali Jinnah died on 11th September 1948. Muhammad Ali Jinnah during his address to the students in Peshawar, he told that the success of our achievement will depend upon unity, faith and discipline. And after a few years, unity, faith and discipline was adopted as national motto of Pakistan. This motto was declared as national motto in 1954. So what is the national motto of Pakistan? Unity, faith and discipline. Now, Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal is our national poet. He is our national hero. He was born on 19th November at Sialkot in 1877. His father's name was Sheikh Noor Muhammad. He was very pious man. He was also known as the first thinker of Pakistan. He is our national poet. He has written a number of poetries and books for Muslims. The famous dua you recite during assembly, like लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, is written by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Allama Muhammad Iqbal always denoted Muslim youth as Shaheen because Shaheen is the symbol of courage and dedication. One of the stanza from Allama Iqbal is, Shaheen कभी परवाज़ से थक कर नहीं गिरता, हरदम है पुरदम है अगर तू तो नहीं खतराए उफ्ताद. The second contribution of Allama Muhammad Iqbal was two-nation theory. As you can see, there is written two-nation, means it's all about two nations. So, it's about Hindus and Muslims. As you know, before partition, Hindu and Muslims were living together. But there were a number of differences among their customs, rituals and religion. He was the first person to think about Hindus and Muslims are two separate nations, so they must have separate countries. So it is called two-nation theory. So two-nation theory is about two separate nations and they must have two separate countries. He was a great thinker and he died on 21st April 1938. He was buried near Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. So it's all about today's lecture. I hope you have learned through this lecture. Thank you.